In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a service list to your Wix website. Whether you're showcasing your business offerings or providing a clear and concise breakdown of your services, this step-by-step guide will help you easily integrate a service list into your site. So, let's get started. First, head over to the Wix website editor. If you're unfamiliar or new to Wix, you'll want to familiarize yourself with this powerful tool. It's the central hub where you'll make all the changes to your site. Once you're in the editor, take a moment to explore its interface if needed so you can navigate through with ease. Now, let's move on to finding the right tools to add your service list. Look for the Add Elements option within the editor's menu. This is your go-to section for adding new components to your site. Once you're there, we'll take advantage of Wix's rich selection of elements designed to enhance your web page. In the Add Elements menu, find the Bookings section. This is specifically designed for those who want to offer services and streamline bookings through their website. Click on Bookings to view more detailed options available to you. Within the Bookings section, you should see an option for Service List. This is where you can get creative with how you display your services to your audience. Clicking on Service List will give you access to various templates and widget styles, allowing you to choose the one that fits your aesthetic and functional needs the best. Once you've clicked on Service List, you will be prompted to choose a specific service list template. This is a pivotal moment as this selection will determine how your list will appear on your website. So, explore the styles available and pick one that aligns seamlessly with your site's design and your personal branding. Next, you'll need to click on the Service List widget itself. This widget is where all the action happens. It holds the key to customizing the content and style of your service list to fit exactly what you want. Now that we have the widget in place, it's time to click on Manage Services. Here, you'll be able to detail each service you offer, adding descriptions, prices, and any other pertinent information your customers need to know. Taking the time to manage this section properly will ensure that your service list is both informative and appealing. Finally, as a finishing touch, click on Highlight. Highlighting certain features or popular services can draw more attention and potentially increase engagement with prospective clients. It's a great way to lead visitors toward your most important offers. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a service list to your Wix website. Your visitors will now have a clear understanding of what your business offers, showcased in a professional and organized manner. Thank you for watching, and as always, feel free to reach out with any questions or comments below.